This is the Retro Coxa Reset strategy for hip extension. The hip that you're wanting to work on, you're going to place that knee onto something to protect the knee. You're going to bring the opposite toes forward and touch the wall, and then you're going to tuck the tailbone, keeping the back straight, hips level. From here, you're going to place the hands onto the wall, and then you're going to lean forward, but you're going to keep that tailbone tucked the entire time, leaning the knee as far as you can. Once you get there, you can push the knee isometrically back towards the heel. And then you'll release, and then you'll go again. Tuck the tailbone, press the opposite knee forward, press the knee of the hip you're working on back towards the heel. That's the Retro Coxa Reset strategy.